On this exercise, we first of all have a new note, the middle D, which is second line from the top. And this is our first note where you get to use your thumb key, also known as the octave key or the register key. And this is an exercise where you really need to think about your thumb position. So when we go from C to D, we don't want that thumb to lift off the key. Now your instinct is going to be to lift your thumb and put it back down, and lift your thumb and put it back down. We don't want that to happen. We just want to bend that knuckle and always keep your thumb on this thumb rest. This is also a really good place to listen to finger blips, because notice when you go from a middle C to a D and back, you have to move 6 fingers, including your thumb and your tongue, and they all have to move at the same time as each other, so that's really going to require that you count. The next thing that you should pay attention to on this exercise is that there's actually only 2 pitches on the exercise. So we have a pattern of notes. We're going back and forth between C and D. So if you will look for patterns in music, it will eliminate your need to read one note at a time. This has the same pitch over and over again, and so if you know that it's going back and forth between C and D, you don't have to worry about what note to play, and you can shift your focus of attention onto the counting where it belongs. So that way you're not worried about which note to play, but instead when to play it. Now patterns are always going to be present in music. This is what a melody is. It's a recurring pattern of notes and rhythms. And so you can pretty much look for patterns in just about any piece of music you ever play.